if you want to, so basically this lateral is like a linear. If you look at the side, they're like lines. If you want more control, feel like, for instance, like a little bit bulged out here in the middle, like not just linear, make it a little bit kind of follow this one. You need to add an additional sketch. Move on. Okay, so maybe I could try, I don't know whether I can make another sketch here, make it normal 2. Maybe I could add an arc. This guy, I'm not doing like precisely, I'm just ruffling and doing it like an arc. Here. I don't add any like dimensions or anything. And the features, loft, and I do the same thing here, this and that, show the preview, and then this guide curve. So you can have one or more guide curves that controls the shape of the lateral surfaces. Okay, so I only have one guide curve edit. So if I select that one, it kind of follows that. So that top of that solid kind of intersection of the vertical plane exactly follows that curve, but everywhere else is kind of also blended. Like, okay, they're not exactly same shape, but in general, like all kind of follows that shape. If you want a more precise control, let's say the bottom of that one too, then you need to add another sketch there. If you want on these sides, you need to add more curves. Okay, so then you can add them as guide curves. Okay, so you're gonna have like more interesting shapes.